Now we have to go this way.
Wait.
No, we want to get the train leaving. Leo, this way. Leo, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. At the wall like this, Leo.
Yeah. The other train is this way.
Yeah, but oh shoot. Slow down, slow down. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Leo wants to be in the front, so we gotta go all the way to the front. Now that sucks, so let's go down.
Leo, be careful. You gotta follow Dad. Don't walk into the yellow thing, please.
I need to walk backwards.
No backwards.
Why?
Actually, no. If you have an eye on him, and so do I, it should be good.
Leo, walk straight down because it's not coming just yet. Walk straight down.
Wait.
Slow down. It's going to be a while till the next train anyway, so.
25 minutes?
Yeah. Don't worry, we should probably find a place for you to sit.
25 minutes.
Leo,